Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. We in the daily, the best daily ever, the Miata. Just stopped at Goodyear because I had to pick up some bolts from Julio. Basically, I got the Hasport mounts back in the mail, the two brackets, but like I was mocking everything up on the motor and I realized I don't have the correct bolts. Like I guess the ones from the EGK 4 mounts are different. So Julio had extra bolts from when he did his swap, so got those right here. So hopefully we have the right bolts, and I'm gonna try and drop the motor in this morning. Hopefully it goes well, so I'll see you guys when I get back home. Best daily ever. Okay, so like I said, I got the hardware, and this is the hardware I already had, and there's a bunch of mix and match bolts and they don't even work properly. So there's that. Got the brackets here. This is the trans bracket that goes on the top, and this is the rear bracket. So I'm not sure if I showed in the last video the other two I had, but those are wrong. These are the correct ones. I'm gonna put these on now. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna put the transmission bracket on for now, because I remember when we did Julio swap, the rear bracket was kind of a bitch to keep on the motor while we were dropping it in, because it kept on smacking everything in the back. So that's the only bracket that's gonna be put on right now. So now I'm just gonna get the bumper and the hood off the car. Alright, so we're pretty much all prepped to get the motor in there. I need to drop the cherry picker, get that set up, get the motor hooked up. I have the bolts ready, like I know which ones I'm going to use. These are for the, let me think, the driver's side, these three. These two are for the passenger side, and these three are for the rear bracket. And then this big one is for also the rear bracket, but goes through the bushing. So yeah, time to get started. Okay, so I think now we're for real ready to go. I have it chained up. So have one on the transmission bolt, and I have one right there on the post mount. So time to do this. Okay, so this is where I'm at so far. Have it in. I'm gonna try to get the rear bracket in now just so the motor can sit more straight because it's leaning forward a lot right now and I can't get these mounts to line up. As you guys like saw, I took the trans mount out because it was just hitting over there. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get the rear bracket in right now. Okay, time for another update. Rear bracket is on, the bolt is through, a little hard to see. There it is. Now I'm gonna get this trans bracket on and then work on the post mount side. Update, she's in. It took a little longer than I anticipated, but it's all in. It's all together. One quick thing I want to do is hook up the shifter cables because I really want to shift the trans properly. So I'm gonna do that right now. That's pretty much gonna be it for the video. I think this is a pretty short video, but oh well. Just getting the motor in, big step. So to put the cables on, it's pretty simple. I have them on already, but I could take it off. So pretty much just lift it up and do right there. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. So pretty much that's gonna move freely, and you need to take this right here and push it through there. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna get it like that and pull it right through. Then we take this and we put it over that right there. And then same thing for that one, except this one's the other way. So you just get that cotter pin after you put it in, put it right there, slide that through, slide that one through. And then K20 makes this nice kit, 2 new cotter pins and these 2 clips. Actually 4 cotter pins because you have to put the ones inside, but I have those ones already. So yeah, just slot those in and you're done. There you have it. Simple install. Clips are down, cotter pins are in. Now it's time to shift this thing for real from the inside. Just the throttle cable and the clutch cable just chilling right here. That's nice. I bought a whole K20 one. It was like $80 and I don't even need it because it came with the car. And then this clutch line is definitely a B-series clutch line because this is ginormous. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down and shift the trans from inside. I just want to take a second to appreciate how sick this is. Please don't mind those horns right there. They came on the car. But this is what it's looking like. Looks fantastic. I'm super happy with the progress. But I'm for real. Shift the trans down. Okay, so I'm having a bit of a problem right now with the shifter. As you guys saw, it shifts fine. Shifts nice. It feels really good. But it's with the interior that I'm having a problem. Sorry for the glare that I look super white. The sun's beaming down in here. But as you can see, it looks like I'm in gear, but I'm in neutral. And it is super far forward. So as you can imagine, from when I go into first, the little mechanism from the K20 shifter that I have smacks right here. Every gear, and it just gives me resistance, and you know, goes fine to second, fourth, and sixth. Sorry, I completely forgot the order it goes in, but yeah, so I need to fix that. And reverse is a pain. I can't even go into it, so I'm gonna take this apart now. Okay, so pretty much to get this out, I obviously need to take the whole entire center console out. Simple. One ball right there. One ball right there. You need to pop this out. 10 millimeters there. There's 2 of them. And then come look at the back. Can I get a nice angle on this? No? Angle? See that little indent right there? Yeah, there's a screw right there. And then one on the other side right there, you can see. And after that, actually I pull this out right now. Gotta pull this out. And if you look behind, there's 2 screws back there. And that's pretty much how you take it out. So I'm gonna do that right now. Got the center console out. Right here, chilling. Now, neutral. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2, 1st. And then reverse, in, nice and easy. So I'm gonna pop this piece out from underneath. Just 4 screws. I mean, yeah, pretty simple. Yo, there's a spider right there. Okay, I'm gonna get that out too. Okay, got the centerpiece out. Now it's time to just reconstruct everything. Actually, I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like in it real quick. Okay, that's what it looks like in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, because the floor is just right there, and you know, like if it rains and I'm driving, which I'm probably not gonna drive this thing in the rain, but like, yo, I don't like that. I don't like that. So I mean, just gonna put everything back together and figure that out another day. I don't care. Well, that's pretty much it. Shifts, no, I gotta check out another shift. Nah, I don't know what a 5-speed is. All I know is 6. Reverse. This is sick. Well, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Good ass day today. Super happy. Having a shitty ass week, but we got a motor inside the car now, so I'm happy again. That's cool. So I also got to shift the trans, got that situated, so it feels like a real car now. I can see the end line, finish line, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, hope you guys had a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and leave a like, subscribe, comment. Omer, if you're watching this, hey. And if you enjoy the music of this video, be sure to check the link in the description to Mr. Immunity, aka Charles Magbu. Give him some love. I'll see y'all later.